Now, I know what you're thinking. Beam wallet? What's that? Well, let me break it down for you. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with its own blockchain and wallet. It's like Bitcoin, but with a twist. It's designed to protect your financial privacy. But back to the question at hand. How old do you have to be to use a Beam wallet? Well, it's a bit more complicated than just a simple age restriction. Legal age restrictions. Firstly, there are the legal age restrictions. These vary from country to country. In some places, you might need to be 18, while in others, it could be as low as 13. It's important to check the specific laws in your jurisdiction. Terms of service. Secondly, Beam Wallet itself has its own terms of service. These terms outline the rules and regulations you must agree to before using the wallet. And guess what? One of those rules often involves an age restriction. So, even if you're legally an adult, you might still be too young to use Beam Wallet according to its terms. Why the age restrictions? Now, you might be wondering why there are age restrictions in the first place. Well, it's mostly about protecting minors. Cryptocurrencies can be complex and volatile, and it's important to ensure that young people understand the risks before they dive in. Understanding the risks. Speaking of risks, let's talk about some of the things you need to consider before using a Beam wallet. First, there's the risk of losing your funds. If you lose your wallet or forget your password, your funds could be gone forever. Second, there's the risk of scams. Unfortunately, there are plenty of scammers out there looking to prey on unsuspecting users. And finally, there's the risk of regulatory changes. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, so there's always a chance that the rules could change. Tips for using Beam Wallet safely. But don't let the risk scare you off. If you're ready to take the plunge, here are a few tips for using Beam Wallet safely. Secure your wallet, use a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication. Be cautious of scams, don't click on suspicious links or share your private information with anyone. Stay informed, keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the crypto world. Conclusion. So, to answer the original question, how old do you have to be to use Beam Wallet? Well, it depends. You'll need to be of legal age according to your jurisdiction and meet the age requirements outlined in Beam's terms of service. But even if you're old enough, it's important to understand the risks and take steps to protect yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.